Life is like a camera, guys. You've got to focus what's important. You've got to capture the good times.
Thank you so much. Beautiful. You look stunning.
You've got to develop from all the negatives. And if everything doesn't go or come out just perfect, you need to refocus, take another picture.
Jeez. Oh wow. That's cool.
Yeah, happy? I'm getting you too.
I did mine. So cute. Thank you, Becky.
Thank you very much. Come girls.
It's like church.
You knew you'd get me, didn't you? Cheeky thought.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh. Oh. You're beautiful.
Thanks.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh. You're stunning.
I, Shaun, take you, Rebecca, to be my wife, to have and to hold, from this day forth, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer,
In sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death do us part.
I now declare that you are husband and wife. You may kiss.
Twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
On behalf of my bride and I, I'd like to thank everyone that's here for coming today. It honestly means so much to us all.
I'm very proud of you, mate. Finley's lucky to have you as his dad. I know you'll be a great husband, and I'll always be there for you and your family.
So now on to my beautiful bride. You look stunning today. Stunningly beautiful, and I will say what everyone else is thinking, I'm completely punching. Totally in it, completely and utterly punching.